Hello and welcome to Academic Technologies. In this video, we will give an overview of how to use the Airplay with the Apple TVs in our classrooms. Begin by selecting Wireless Video on the left-hand side of the touch panel. Select Apple TV and then press Send to Projector. This should bring up the Apple TV's default splash screen. On your laptop, ensure that both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on so that your device can identify the room's Apple TV. Then, navigate to the top right of your laptop and select the screen mirroring icon. If you're using an iPad, swipe down from the top right and select the screen mirroring icon. Scroll down to find the name of the classroom you're in, and select the Apple TV device. Doing that will prompt you to enter a code for the Apple TV you have selected. A code will then be displayed on the projector screen. Use this code and enter it into your device. After entering the code, your device will be connected to the Apple TV, displaying your screen onto the projector. Please note that once connected, the iPad may appear smaller on screen than a laptop connection. When you're finished using the Apple TV in the room, you can stop the screen mirroring on your laptop by pressing the screen mirroring icon and then pressing the name of the selected room. This will disconnect your device from the Apple TV. If you're using an iPad, select the screen mirroring icon again, and then press the Stop Mirroring button, located on the bottom of the screen mirroring window. We hope that this video helps you with using the Apple TVs in our general assignment classrooms. If you have any other questions about Apple TVs, please contact us at help@uw.edu.